In this video, I want to show how to open data on CasaXPS. So I want to take this data and I want to analyze it on CasaXPS. But how can I do that? Firstly, I have to take the data as a text document so that I should copy it and create a file and paste it here. However, there is an issue in this file. There is an empty space and there are some things in here. So if I want to open it or convert it, first I have to convert it. It doesn't work. It gives an error. The issue is that there are some spaces and other things that are not relevant with the XPS. So somehow Casa XPS doesn't recognize that. So this might be an issue and a big headache actually. In order to prevent that, I want to take this data another Excel part. Okay, so I took the data and I want to remove this part. So I will delete this part. Shift the cells up. And I have to take this empty space. So basically I will cut this part. Cut and paste. And I will copy it again. I will open my text document. And I will paste here. So this is the data. I will save it. I saved it and I will try to convert it and open it, and that's all. So this might be an issue and might be a big headache. I hope this video can solve your problem.